When I set out on this trip, I was looking to get photography instruction, see Alaska in a way I haven't seen it before. It's so beautiful and different from any place else I've ever been. And we got to see things up close, more personal than you would from a big cruise ship. And just everywhere you turn, there's just something beautiful to look at. And I learned a lot from the photography aspect of it as well. So it was a great learning opportunity. And the thing that stood out for me that made me want to come back are Jeffrey and Christine. I mean, the way they treat the passengers, it's like your friends. I would recommend this trip to anybody who wants to have an adventure somewhere where you get to see beautiful natural scenery, animals, nature, and great cooking on a ship that's comfortable. Anybody who wants to get closer to nature, be pampered, fall asleep to a boat that just lulls you to sleep. Anybody that wants to be outdoors and just seeing the natural beauty that we have.